Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to show you an amazing hair growth tea that you should use to promote your hair. Okay, if you want to get a thicker, fuller hair just like my hair you're seeing, please try this ingredient. It's not much. You can get this in your kitchen and you're not going to break the bank. So if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. So love, let's get today's video started. So the first ingredient we'll be using is cloves. Cloves have amazing benefit to grow your hair. It promotes hair growth, it stops itchy scalp, it grows bald spot. Okay, study shows that when using clove consistently, you're going to have an amazing growth. So the next thing is to measure. Okay, I'm going to be using this teaspoon as my measuring spoon. And the next one is to use rosemary. Okay, rosemary is good for hair growth as well. It has this tingling sensation that helps to in the blood circulation to your scalp. Okay, and it also has an amazing scent. All right, so if you want to use rosemary, use it. It's really good for hair growth. So I'm also going to be using 1 teaspoon as well for my measuring. Then the next thing we're going to be adding is this cinnamon is really good for thicken your hair, darken your hair. It helps to get rid of itchy scalp. It's really good for hair growth. So I just use this chunk and I'm going to boil it and let it sit aside. I boiled it for like 10 minutes. After boiling it, this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to leave this overnight to sit overnight. All right, so guys, if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share a beautiful comment. And here is the next day. Look at, as you can see, the tea has changed in color and everything has settled under. All right, so I'm just going to strain and we move to application. And for storage, you can store this for 5 days in your fridge. Okay, it's not going to get spoiled. After 5 days, you can dispose the treatment. So I'm just going to pour this in my spray bottle, and again I added my MSM powder inside this tea. Okay, I added MSM powder. MSM powder is one of the powders I use on my hair growth tea. Okay, it's really good to improve hair growth. I have been using it and I've seen a lot of results. That's why I keep using MSM powder. Right, besties, so this is me trying to spray my hair. I washed the hair. Okay, so I want to use this tea to spray on my hair. So guys, here why my face is like this, I have a channel whereby the channel was monetized, but they demonetized me because of shorts. They said I did reuse content. I don't know how I use reuse content. Maybe that channel I did like short collaboration a lot. Maybe that was the reason why they demonetized that channel. So I was kind of crying because I know the struggle I did to get that channel running. So right now that channel is demonetized. I used to do reaction in that channel, and the short video I was doing reaction with the short videos, not knowing that it's not good for the channel. But anyway, I'm gonna work better to get the channel running. Alright guys, so I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. After spraying it all over my hair, I will massage, then I'll fall in with my routine. I got a couple of questions about how the tea lasts. I said earlier on, the tea can stay for 5 days, up to 1 week at max, then you dispose. Okay, then I also got a question saying how do I moisturize my braids, or how do I wear my braid? I wear it with wigs. If I'm going out, I wear wigs. If I am home, I carry my braid just like this. Okay, like either in a 2-parted way, or I pack it just once. Okay, and when I'm going to bed, I always use a satin a tie and a satin cap to secure my hair. So after spraying the tea, I always go in with my leave-in condition, either the gentle touch, or I do a leave-in condition using flaxseed gel or okra gel as my leave-in. But on this day I'm using the gentle touch leave-in condition. So after using my leave-in condition, I go in with my oil. This oil is rosemary and some other ingredients inside anyway, guys. So I use that on my scalp and massage it. Then I go in with my butters and my oils. If you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share, but for comment, let me know if you're going to be trying this tea. I use this tea for 1 week, and in the last clip I redid my front braids. Okay, so spraying this tea on my hair made my hair hold more quicker. Okay, so guys, try this tea, you see amazing result. I was really surprised that my front hair got really old than usual. So besties, I am done, and this is me just trying to style my hair. And I was on call. I was like gisting my girlfriend about the monetization. Well, anyway, I'm better now. Like, I was sogging for like 2 days straight, but right now I'm better. Guys, sorry that there have not been much hair videos in the channel. A lot has been going on. I'm still trying to grow my hair and also not put too much hands on my hair as well. That's why you've not been seeing a lot of routines and a lot of teas, because I like doing teas that actually works. Okay, so before I put it out, and that's why my teas have not been dropping a lot as before. So guys, please bear with me about that. It's all about getting good results, right? That's what you guys want to see. So here I'm taking down the braids, and as you can see, there's no space again. So this tea actually works a lot. Yeah, so I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.